Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And I've just kind of tidied my hair up a little bit today, even though it's proper greasy, man. I need to wash it. Yes, I did colour my hair again, but it's ended up the same colour, which is like a very strawberry blonde / ginger colour, so yeah. And in today's video we'll be talking about how to shape your brows and how to do your visage for less. So there's a lovely site called AliExpress. Now some of you may have heard about AliExpress, some of you might not have heard of it. I'll put the logo, so those of you who need reminding, maybe it will jog your memory, maybe you've come across it in adverts on YouTube, etc, etc. So yes, this is not a sponsored video because like I'm a newbie and I don't have sponsors as such. So this is from my own perspective of things, of what kind of products that I find helps to get ready in the mornings, and also just to help make life easier, you know, to make you look good. So I'm going to show you these. So it's these two right here. This one is a brow, it's like a 3-in-1 brow definer. So it kind of like makes your eyebrows look neat and tidy, but at the same time give it that natural look. And this one is a lip crayon, so it should be a matte color. This one should be a matte color, and also it should be stain proof and waterproof. That makes sense. All my makeup products that I do buy, guys, bearing in mind, is all waterproof. So let's say you want to go to the beach, or you want to look that extra bit nice for a date or something, and you don't want your mascara to run down if you decide to go in the sea, etc, etc. These kind of things, like to have waterproof type makeup, is the best thing that will literally save yourself from embarrassment and also looking like a panda. As cute as pandas are, we all know about the dark circles. We don't want that. I use this Veet. It's like a shaver. I use this one. I think it was at £10 in either Boots or Superdrugs. This one I got from Superdrugs. This one is quite good because it's got the tiny shaver part, and then it's got the massive one on the side, this side. But this side here on the left, my left, basically helps you to shape your brows. So for example, this bit here, to kind of shape the outside of your brows as you go along. So that's what it does basically. So this is how I keep, under COVID, this is how I keep my brows just neat and tidy around the edge. So before you even try out stuff like this, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is get yourself one of these bad boys. One of these. Okay guys, so I went away and I put on my mascara, my eyeliner and foundation, and my blusher to show you the finished look after I put on the brows and the lip crayon. Okay, so let's try out the products, shall we? And then also, to define your lips even more, you could use, and your brows too, you could use a lip and brow pencil. But obviously with my one, these two are lip definers, so like lip pencils to kind of line your lips first, and then you can use the crayons or whatever. So let's try them out. Oh my god, this is so difficult to do. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, that's alright, that's alright. Found it. I found it. Got it in the end. That's it. Take off the plastic. Let's have a look-see. And this one is in chestnut. This one here is in chestnut color. Okay. Let's see. This is so difficult to get out, honestly. Aha! Not anymore. And this is how it looks, guys. That is how... It's basically a nude lip color for like everyday wear. So you can wear it to work, you can wear it literally anywhere, dates. I wouldn't say parties, depends on the look you're going for, but this is more of like an everyday type of look. So yeah, like a, you know, like a natural type of look, because going to parties you'd probably get more like evening wear and all this kind of stuff, like very heavy type makeup, like glitter and smoky, like smoky look. So this is for more for everyday use. So I won't try that at the moment because I want to try the brow one first. And it's always good, guys, it's always good to get a shade lighter than your actual color of your brows, so that you don't end up having too thick caterpillars on your face. So yeah, that's yeah, one thing to look out for as well that you should do. So this one is in Rufus or something right here. You can see that in Rufus shade. So let's try this one on first. Let's try this one on first. So apparently this is a 3-in-1 steps to achieve your brows. So it's from the same company, it's from the same brand. I want it to focus right now. So this is, yeah, from the same brand. It should have Auto Brows Pen. So let's check it out. So this is like your crayon side. This is the crayon side of it to draw it on, basically. And you've got your brush to brush it through to make it look more natural. And I think there's a third compartment somewhere. I think that's it. I think that's it, really. Should have been 3-in-1, as it says 3-in-1 or something. Maybe this side is, so let's go ahead and check it out. Let's have a look, see. So there we go, and that's a light. You can see the difference already, guys. You can see the difference already. This one looks a bit more neat. This one is kind of like a messy finish right here. So let's go ahead and try this bit here. Okay, so you can see there is a big difference, especially when you're taking selfies and the ending of your brows right here doesn't show up in pictures and only this beginning part shows, this is perfect for these type of situations. And then now you only need a very tiny amount of this because you don't want it to be too thick. So you only need a tiny amount of the crayon side. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush it through. There we go, and kind of fix it after. That side is looking a lot better. And then let's try the other side now. Brush it through. Okay, and just fix it because sometimes it kind of droops down, your little eyebrow hair, sometimes it kind of droops down right here. And if this part here is way too long, you can brush it up like this and trim this part right here with a tiny little scissors if you really wanted to. You could do that as well. Okay, and looks like my brows are done. So that went well. I actually quite like this product and it was very easy to do. It was very, very, very easy to do. So yeah, I quite like this. I like this one. And now we test out the crayon. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a very light pink for the natural. It's gonna be a very light pink outline. So now we've got that, let's try the crayon now. Let's try it. So voila, we have a natural look with your brows and the lip color. So it's looking quite natural now and I quite like it. It's not as bad as I thought. It's very nice actually, quite like it. And the one thing I do like about this as well, amongst others, is that it's got a clicking mechanism. So, wait, hold on. You guys can hear that, right? So you can guarantee that no lipstick will smear inside your bag. It will all be contained in this little container right here, in this little tube. So, yep. So these two items are really amazing. These two items right here. And I think the brand is called FOCALLURE or something like that. Yeah, FOCALLURE. So get these products on, like I mentioned before, AliExpress, and they are dead cheap. This one was, I would say, around £2. This one was, I think, £3. I will leave all link in the description below for these items as well. And yes, they are waterproof and smudge proof as well. Bearing in mind, if you want to kind of set this afterwards, by all means, this is what I use, Rimmel London's makeup setting spray. So this one is really good as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. You don't even need that much. Just kind of fan it down just to let it dry. I wish I had like a little paper fan, would have been nice, but. And yeah, that's it. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe, and as always, until the next time, next video, next topic. Bye.